Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I received a question today. What do I think of microstimulation therapy as a way to reverse retinal disease? So the way microstim works is you use a small metal probe and you put it around the outside part of the eye, and it sends a very low voltage electrical impulse that stimulates the eye tissue. And in theory, what it does is it increases the mitochondria function, producing more ATP and being able to get rid of oxidative stress, metabolic waste, and return your retina to health. So, as you know, one of the principles that I teach from is that everybody brings something different to their situation, and there is no magic bullet. So this means that for me, I have not had great success with microstim. However, I think as an adjunct treatment, it certainly could be supportive as a secondary technique. But if we talk about how to improve retinal disease, there are three things that you have to do. Number one, you have to improve your dietary absorption, get rid of inflammation in the gut, reduce any toxicities that you have in your body. This includes heavy metals, pesticides, and mold. Number two, it's important that you infuse yourself with a plant-based diet that includes the rainbow diet of antioxidants. And these would be things like the red, orange, yellow, green family, because these contain the carotenoids that are so important for your retinal health. And then adding things like glutathione, healthy fats and oils, that would be my number two. And number three, instead of doing microstimulation, I would find a really special gifted acupuncturist, go and get treated, because there's something about the practitioner's energy that goes far beyond using a machine. You know, when we go to a practitioner, hopefully they're balanced between their science and their intuition. And I often say it's less about the technique and more about the practitioner's energy, consciousness, that's going to create the alchemical healing that you're looking for. There's one more that I'm going to add as extra credit, and that's the physical eye therapy exercises. I think they work really well in the re-education of the brain, eye, body constellation, because any eye problem at some level has a functional, a stress, and a biochemical issue. So 2 thumbs down for microstim. I think it's okay, but I don't think it's the total answer. So everybody, that's my message for today. I want to thank you for tuning in. Back on the trail. Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sam, and I'm a holistic optometrist, author, and teacher. If you want ideas on how to take care of your eyes, brain, and body, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the red bell to receive notifications. I post 4 to 5 times a week. And I welcome your comments and questions. And join my membership to receive exclusive content that you won't see on my social media. Visit my website, drsamburnmembership.com. I look forward to seeing you.